Let's have a look at how we will find out the numbers of people in each section here. So we have a pie chart that shows that 720 people are playing sports on a certain day, and find the number of people in each sector. So soccer is 100 degrees, football is 60 degrees, hockey is 56 degrees, golf is 40 degrees, hurling is 72 degrees, and tennis is 32 degrees. So we saw that to do these properly, we need to work out the number of people for each section. So let's say soccer. And we know that it's going to be, now let me see, insert. It's going to be the number of people in each section. So that will be 100, or the number of degrees in each section. It's the 100 degrees. Over 360. And we have to multiply that by the total number of people, which is 720. And that gives us 200 people. Okay, the next one would be football. And that is going to be, again, we'll do the exact same thing. We want to do the number of, or the size of the angle, which is 60 degrees, over 360. And that is multiplied by 720. So that's going to be 60 over 360 multiplied by 720, and that's 120 people. The next one is hockey. And let's give that a space as well. So for hockey, it is 56 degrees. So it's, close that there, 56 over 360 by 720. Okay, so that's 56 divided by 360 by 720, and that's 112 people. And the next one is golf. Go down the line. Okay. Again, that's going to be for golf, it's 40 degrees, so we need to change that. Change that to 40, and that's going to be 80 people. What am I typing? Okay, the next one is hurling at 72 degrees. Oh. At hurling, which is 72 degrees. So that's going to be 144 people. Okay, so you can see how this is going. and you continue on like that. The next ones would be, the last one is just tennis at 32 degrees. So let's see, tennis at 32 degrees. Okay. Go back and change that, so that's 32 degrees, and that gives us 64 people play tennis. Now, the only thing we need to do now is check that the total number of people is correct. How do we do that? So we add 120 plus 112 plus 80 plus 144 plus 64, and don't forget the 200 from the start, and that does in fact equal 720. And that is how you work out the number of people in each, playing in each sector for a pie chart.